Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about new immigration fees effective December 1, 2024. Canada's Immigration Department has raised several application fees, effective December 1, 2024. The Canadian immigration fees have recently been updated. The new and previous fees for various application types are: authorization to return to Canada. The new fee is $479.75, up from the previous fee of $459.55. Inadmissibility on grounds of criminality. The new fee is $239.75, compared to the previous fee of $229.77. Inadmissibility on grounds of serious criminality. The fee has increased to $1,199 from $148.87. Restoring status as a student. The updated fee is $389.75, previously $379. Restoring status as a visitor. The new fee is $239.75, up from $229. Restoring status as a worker. The fee is now $394.75, compared to the earlier fee of $384. Temporary resident permit. The new fee is $239.75, up from $229.77. These changes reflect an increase across all application types. What if you paid the old fee? If you've already submitted a complete online application prior to the increase, the new fees will not affect that application. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, receives and confirms online applications immediately, so your application will already have been paid in full. If you've mailed in a paper application, for example, for a post-graduation work permit, PGWP, extension, then there's a chance you will have paid the old fee prior to IRCC. Having received your application, if the fee has changed since you've sent in a paper application, IRCC will not normally reject your application, provided that you paid the old fee in full. You submitted a complete application. You mailed the application before the fee changed. After receiving your application, IRCC will instruct you on how to submit payment for the difference between the new fee and the old fee. If you have to pay the difference between the old application fee and the new one, you'll need to issue the payment and submit your receipt to IRCC. Calculate the fee difference. Subtract the old fee from the new fee, payment, sign into your account or create an account. Using IRCC's online payment tool, select the Make an Additional Payment or Pay Other Fees option. Under Quantity, enter the fee difference you calculated in Step 1. You will receive one receipt for each payment. Submit your receipt by following the instructions in IRCC's request. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel, and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care.